संतत मंतर भज त्रिपुरांबा. Santata mantara is satata, nirantara, always, regularly and as far as possible always. Bhaja Tripurambam, bhajan karati, sevan karati, invoke, be aware of, try to remember Tripurambam, Devi, Janani, Shakti. When you speak about Guru, it is the Guru Shakti that we crave. Shashanka Koti Sadrisha Mukha Bimbam. When you begin your upasana, you are given a mantra, you have to visualize. So Shashanka Koti Sadrisha Mukha Bimbam. That mother, Anugrahatmika, Tondmakashi, it's as pleasant, as cooling as the full moon. Koti, that pleasantness. There is light, but it doesn't burn. It reveals and it fills you with joy, with exuberance. That is the Shakti we are invoking. So 3 levels. Sayam Prata Smara Shiva Jayam. This Anushtan, whatever you do, Sakani Sanje Karati, fixed time har kurche. Shri Matam Lalitam Shrutigeyam. Lalitam, hunch better, that Shakti is something that will liberate, something that will inspire you. Shrutigeyam. Shruti is Veda, something Pramanik. Pramanik is, what is Pramanik? Not exactly. Consistency is Satatam. What else? Authentic. Authentic. Yeah, very good. Authentic. I am told there is this, you do the... Sincere. No, not exactly. Something that is attested, proven by somebody who has already walked that path. We have many options. So finally you go to some person who has experimented, tried out everything, and he says, this may look good, but then it's going to create trouble. This is the best. So the most authentic, pramanika. But this pramanikta is based on the Shastras, Shruti Geyam. That Shakti I am invoking. Shruti Geyam, Smaram Smaram Tyaja Nija Mayam. Anikitl Mataka, may we invoke the divine, whatever that restricts us, fills us with fear, pain, we learn to let go of that. We invoke and we rise. This is mine, I belong to this. That strength starts coming. That is a spiritual aspect. Makes sense? Invoke that. And then it says, Sthapaya Dridha Shraddha Bali Pitham. Sthapaya, establish. Dridha, very steady, firm. Shraddha Bali Pitham. Bali Pith. You know what is a Bali Pitha? Ugra Devatanasana, the Bali is given. The animal mantati, the Bali, take a tushta kartati. Here, Amgel Sattvic Upasana. So still, Shraddha, what is Shraddha? These are just concepts, okay? Hajirami Masta Chintan coaches, we are going to discuss, we are going to do Vimarsh, course of this. What is Shraddha? Let others. Shraddha? Sorry, Kona? Determination, okay. A little more. Huh? Okay, faith. So general faith is, you have faith in people also. I trust somebody, I have friends. Vishwas Mantati. Shraddha is Guru Shastra Vachaneshu Atyanta Astikya Buddhi. Faith in the Shastras, in whatever you've been given by the Guru, ityadi. So tashi eka bali peeth korchkai. Anita Jerry Saunshayastane Korchkina, does this apply to me? Is this really true? Will I get this? Etc. Kiri 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 zatasta. That is the Pashu Yoga and Bali Devji. Makes sense? Best Pashu. Connect zatasta. Sometimes suddenly you find that connect happening and suddenly some doubt. Is this really going to work out? That Pashu is put there on your Shraddha Pitha and Khachak Bali Dev Arpan Konsan. Ugra Upasan Sudai Kartana, that mercilessly you are going to deal with the vague sense of inadequacy or unhappiness or am I connected sort of feelings that can come up when you are really on the path. Makes sense? That is the Pashu. It's still not directed, it's still vacillating. That is offered Khalasne. स्थापय दृढ़ श्रद्धा बलिपीठम कृत्वा निशितम बुद्धि विचारम सम विचार कोनु ताज बलि दिताची मुखारवचे. The purest of pure aham bhadele shivoham will start. Otherwise, koham zata, kaun hava, what do I belong to, how do I express myself, what do I, ityadi, that just goes. This Sanskriti Parichay is going to, Shivir is going to establish you on this path of Balidam Mukharoche at every stage. Pashya aharanisham ahamidam. This is a slightly more spiritual context. Understand this. Pashya, pearl, ahar nisham. Divas ratri. Learn to see this. Kal aham idam akhilam. Me and this. This is a normal perception. I am and the rest. A great divide. When pure spiritual consciousness, awareness, jagrat, sauncha, surzaina pada, Shivo Hamme Sarvatra Ishvaru Chasa Taji Shivai Kalina, the realization of saints. Aspire for this. Pashya Aharnisham Ahamidam Akhilam Vigalita Dvaitam Viraja Vipapam Shuddha Zaunu Hedavatu Matramunu. This should enter your lives. But before that, regularity, ability to discard that which is negative, which is tying you down, and surge forward. The Ojasvita, power in your upasana, in self-expression has to come. Makes sense? This is the purest of pure, because already you have decided, I want to understand, and I want to understand things in its totality also. Sampashyema, vipashyema kalya. For that, whatever sacrifices have to be made, I'll make them, and I'll Shiva Charanantu, Bhavani Shankar Dava Charanantu, Natamastak Zata. I need to be guided by that. I seek, I demand inspiration from the divine. Correct? It's a two-way process. We are moving towards the divine. We want that some inspiration, some guidance coming. It does come. Inspirations do come. We'll need to recognize that. To develop the sensitivity to understand this is coming from the divine. I can accept that. I can make the great challenge. Maniyada Tashkurcha.